Hello again, everyone. Today's topic is going to be a writing activity. And the topic we'll be writing about is simple future with the word will. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to use a weekly calendar to cover the topic for today, which again is a simple future with will. And what I'm going to have you do is basically just fill in the information for each day. Okay, so we're going to look at the directions now so you have a better understanding of what we're going to do. So the directions say, write out what you will do on each day of the week. For example, go to school, play games, see my friends. At the bottom, write at least 4 sentences about what you do during the week using future tense. For example, I will go to the zoo today. So what they want you to do basically is just fill in what you do for each day of the week. What do you do on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday? Okay, and these don't have to be complete sentences. They can be very short, just 2-3 words, phrases, just setting up what you're going to write about down here in the sentence portion of this activity. So what I'm going to do now is demonstrate to you how to do this with my own personal life, what I do in life for on my weekly calendar. All right, so I will fill in everything here that's shown from Sunday through Saturday. And then I will write a short summary about what I do using the future tense will. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at what I do for each day of the week now. So I'm just going to start off right here at the top on Sunday. And as directions say, I'm just going to tell you what I do for each day of the week. Now, you've got to be practical for this part, please. Don't tell me that you sleep and drink water and wash your face when you do this, okay? Pick different things to do, okay? Please pick different things. Don't write the same thing over and over because it's not going to make any sense, all right? And when you see me, after I demonstrate this, you'll see that if I can do this, you can too. This shouldn't be that difficult, okay? It could be anything, playing a hobby. What's your favorite hobby? What do you do for fun? Okay, so please don't repeat the same thing over and over again because it's just going to sound ridiculous, okay? Plus, when you write it in the bottom part here for the sentences, it's not going to sound right. So please pick different things. You have 7 days and you can pick 7 days. Okay, let me show you what I mean here. So on Sunday, I wrote that I eat a special breakfast. Okay, so it's Sunday, it's my weekend off, and I like to have something nice to eat. Okay, it could be anything from just, I don't know, pancakes and bacon and eggs, or toast, or an omelet, or something like that. So it's just something nice that I really enjoy. I don't really have time to eat during the week, so that's what I chose for Sunday. Is I eat a special breakfast. Now on Monday, I wrote here, or I listed, I should say, I said I make a recording. And the recording is what you're listening to as I am speaking right now. Okay, so I make these recordings on Monday to prepare for my video that I post for you. Okay, so I just make the recording and then I work on it again a little bit on Tuesday. Here, as you can see on Tuesday, I wrote I edit the video. And what I mean by I edit the video is what you're again are watching right now as I speak. I have made this video, I've recorded it, I've edited the visuals you see, the things I'm underlining, that's all editing it. That's what I'm doing here, okay? So that's what I do on Tuesday, all right? Then Wednesday, I have down here that I watch a movie. And it could be a 2 hour movie. That's usually what a movie is. It's 1.5 to 2 hours. Could be more. Could be 2 hours and 15 minutes or 2 hours and 30 minutes. I don't know. It depends. But I do like to watch a movie. Okay. And since theaters aren't open really all too much these days, I usually watch a movie at my house. I find something nice and I enjoy watching that. Okay. So here on Thursday, I go grocery shopping. So, I have to eat. I need food to live. So I will do that on Thursday. I'll go out and buy some food. Grocery shopping is another way of saying that I go and buy or go to the supermarket. Okay, so some people call it the supermarket, others call it the grocery store. Either way, you're going to a place to buy food. It doesn't really matter which one you use as long as it makes sense what you're doing. So I go grocery shopping. Okay, so I go to the supermarket and I buy some food to eat. Okay, looking at Friday now. On Friday, I post the video that you're watching, and hopefully, if nothing happens weird this week, I'll be able to post this on Friday at the time of my posting, because I'm in a different time zone than many of you will most likely be in. But I plan on posting this video on Friday, and well, we'll find out on Friday, won't we, if I succeeded. Okay, so anyways, that's what I do on Friday. And on the last day of the week, which is Saturday, I watch a TV show. So again, I like watching TV. I do like to spend a couple of times a week watching TV, whether it's a movie on Wednesday or, as you can see here, a TV show on Saturday. Now, if you're thinking that the watching a movie on Wednesday and watching a TV show on Saturday are the same, in my opinion, they're not. As I told you earlier, a movie is 2 hours, could be more, maybe an hour and 45 minutes or 2 hours and 15 minutes. It doesn't really matter. It's a movie. TV show is something that's on for a few seasons, 2, 3, 4 seasons. It's got 8 episodes, maybe 12 episodes. I don't know, but I like to watch a TV show on Saturday to relax. Okay, so that's what I do on each day of the week here. Okay. Now, these are my hobbies I just posted, really, with the exception of grocery shopping, because I have to do that. You can post anything you like. If you play video games, tell me. If you're in a sports team, if you're in a club, tell me. If you play basketball, tell me. If you play baseball and you go to baseball practice, tell me. For one day, not all days, okay, please? If you're taking classes, like for music, if you're learning the violin or you're playing the guitar, tell me what day, which one of those days could you put that? And I'm just throwing out suggestions, and I've already given you some up there. And as you can see, it's not a complete sentence. Okay, there's no period or full stop, if that's what you want to call it, at the end of these, because it's just a list, okay? And to be honest, I didn't even want to capitalize the first letter in each day here, but the program I'm using just naturally did that. So I actually didn't want to do that either, but it happened, and that's okay. Again, this is just to help me organize my thoughts for the sentence portion down here for the writing. Okay? So, having said that, and you've seen what I've demonstrated, let's go ahead and take a look at the sentence portion of my example now. So here is my sentences using the information I provided you for the weekly calendar. And again, I'm using the future tense of will to emphasize that I will be doing these things in the future. So everything I'm mentioning here, I will do in the future, with the exception of the recording that I'm doing now, because, well, I have to make the recording in order to demonstrate this. Okay? So let me go ahead and just read to you what I wrote down using the information from the weekly calendar. So I wrote, on Sunday, I will eat an omelet as my special breakfast. On Monday, I will do a recording for my video this week. I will do the editing for the video on Tuesday. On Wednesday, I will watch a movie to relax. On Thursday, I will go grocery shopping for food. Friday, I will post my new video and on Saturday, I will watch a TV show. So as you can see, I use the emphasize the word will to demonstrate uh, what I will be doing in the future. And that's what we want you to do here. Well, that's what I want, excuse me, that's what I want you to do here today for this, the bonus activity, okay? So for the bonus activity, it's basically gonna be this. And let's go ahead and just take a look at that now. So here's the bonus activity. And as you can see, it's just the same format that I use to demonstrate what I do for each day of the week. So I just want you to do the same thing. Please tell me what you do each day of the week in just a short little phrase, like I said, 3 words, couple of words, depends on what you're saying. Okay, I don't know what you're going to choose, and I'm not here to tell you what to do or what to write, I should say. Okay, so just what I did is I just picked what I enjoy doing. Okay, with the exception of things that I have to do, such as the grocery shopping that I had listed on Thursday. Okay, I have to do that because I have to eat. But everything else I listed here is just for fun. Okay, and in the sentence portion, again, you can see you've only been given so much space to write down all this information here. Okay, and again, I'm doing that on purpose because I don't want you to overdo it. Okay, I mean, again, and this is a test taking strategy, especially if you're going to take some kind of standardized test in the future. If they only give you this much space, this is all you have, this is all you can use. Okay, so I hope you understand that. And also another mistake that I will probably encounter, I have encountered actually, I'm not going to lie, I've encountered is many individuals will try to list what they do for an entire day. So on Sunday, they'll list like 4 or 5 things. And the same thing from Monday through Saturday. They'll list everything they do. I don't want that. I just want you to list one thing, okay? And you don't even have to, in this portion at the top here, from Sunday through Saturday, you don't have to write a complete sentence for this because you're just making a list. The complete sentence will be down here where it says sentences. This is where you need to write a complete sentence. So please understand that. Okay, the list is just to guide you. And if you want to go back and look at what I wrote, I put a whole lot more information in on the sentence portion than I did on the weekly calendar. And that's what I want you to do for this bonus activity, is the exact same thing. Okay, please just list one thing you like to do each day. If you want to put something that you have to do, that's fine too. Okay, but please put things you like to do first. And then write about it, okay? At least 4 sentences, please. And I already explained to you what that looks like, okay? So that'll do it for today's video. And hey, as always, thank you again for watching, spending part of your day with me, and hopefully learning something. This is an activity that is just, again, to help with writing and, just to keep developing you as a speaker and a writer. Okay, the speaking portion can be done as just you can read this out loud to somebody. If you're doing this at home with your parent or an older sibling, you can read this off to them and they can talk about it like this, and it'll help. You heard me talk about everything, and that's how you develop your language. Okay, so thank you again, and I really look forward to seeing you on my next video. You take care out there. Thank you once again for joining in today's lesson. Please message me through Facebook Messenger, or you can email me at jollyformore@gmail.com to learn more about my online tutorial service. Please leave a comment down below. If you know someone interested in hiring an online tutor, share this video. And if you would like to get a bell notification for all my newest videos, please subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. And until then, please be safe out there. Have a great day.